Judge, you're doing Ms. Knight.
Price, I think. Oh, is it Knight? Is that what you said? No, I can't hear you. Oh, I thought you said Price. Is it Knight?
No, it's Perez.
Perez.
Oh, Perez. Okay.
That's Gina DiMercurio Perez. It might be under DiMercurio. She's been
It
under
is.
that name before.
Thank you. Thank you. I was having trouble finding it. We're on the record in 2023 CR 209, State of Kansas versus Gina Louise DiMercurio Perez. And Jill Gillette, County Attorney, appears for the state. The defendant appears in person and pro se. Ms. Perez, you are here on count 1, possession of opiate, opium, or narcotics specifically, unlawful possession of methamphetamine or MDMA. This is a level 5 drug felony. If convicted of this, you would be looking at anywhere from 10 to 42 months in prison and up to $100,000 in fines. Then in count 2, unlawful possession of the controlled substance Dilaudid. That is also a level 5 drug felony with a sentence range of 10 to 42 months and a $100,000 fine. In count 3, unlawful possession of drug paraphernalia, that is smoking pipes, tutors, Ziploc bags, and tinfoil, with the allegation that you possess those items to either store, contain, conceal, inject, ingest, inhale, or otherwise introduce a controlled substance into the human body. This would be a Class B non-person misdemeanor. You could serve up to 6 months and pay a $1,000 fine. Now, do you intend, Ms. Perez, to hire an attorney or apply for court appointed?
Court appointed?
Are you employed?
No.
You don't have any money available to you or assets that could help you pay for an attorney?
Nothing.
All right, I will appoint an attorney. My assistant, Missy, will tell you who that will be later in the week. And so call back and get who your attorney is and how to contact your attorney. We'll set this for a preliminary hearing control. And Missy, what do you have for that? It doesn't look like it's probably going to have lab reports anytime soon, I'm going to guess.
We can do it October 13th at 1:30.
All right, you'll need to be back here by Zoom, and that's October 13th at 1:30. Make sure you talk to that attorney well before then, so he or she can help you.
Yeah.
And you have a scheduled bond set at what, about 12,000, something like that, deputy? Is your deputy there?
Yeah.
It is set at. Yeah, I'm showing 12,500.
All right, tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from, Ms. Perez?
Judge, so you're aware, Miss DiMercurio has case number 23 CR 33, where she was ordered to appear by Judge Ricky. And she was actually set over from a Wednesday to a Thursday. And then we did her sentencing on the Thursday with her here at the courthouse. And she took off when she was supposed to go serve a sanction in the jail. Well, serve time as a condition of probation in the jail. So she had a no bond hold put on her, and she has 60 days to do in our county jail. There's been a motion to revoke her probation on that case because that was a condition of her probation. And in addition, these new charges are also violations of her condition of probation. And since she's been in the jail, they found additional drugs on her after she got into the jail in a body cavity. Therefore, she has more charges coming. It'll probably be on next week's first appearance when I get that report, because she was just arrested over the new stuff not too long ago, and I filed all of these charges today. So she has a lot of issues as to why she's going to be in our jail for a while, and I would ask that her bond remain at $12,500 cash surety, and she'll probably be getting another bond on the other case, and she still will have a no bond on Judge Ricky's case, and we'll probably have to first appear her on a revocation. We'll appear her on her first appearance on a revocation.
All right. With all that being said, I think she's probably right. We just will leave it at 12.5. Don't you think, Ms. DeMercury? Is it, tell me how to pronounce that again. It looks like it's Dimercurio, but how do you pronounce it?
Mercurio,
DeMercurio? But you go by Perez also,
yes.
right? And where are you from? Are you local here or
Chanute,
Chanute, not too far away? All right, we'll leave it at 12,000, no, it's set at 12,500, right? That's where we'll leave it. Your prelim by Zoom, October 13th at 1:30. And
Her prior attorney does not want to be reappointed.
okay, Missy, can you let the jail know as soon as you get the attorney?
Yes, and you said that her prior attorney does not want to be appointed? Okay.
It was Miss Cooper.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. It's not you personally, Ms. Dimercurio, it's just that she's not taking our Greenwood County cases anymore, so. So it's not like she has a personal issue. All right, okay, anything else, ma'am, that I can help you with before I let you go back to the jail?
well, that's it, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You may go, we'll be in recess. Oh, wait a minute, don't leave. I also see on my docket 2023 CR 209. That's, I think
Judge, that's.
is that
Oh,
the one we just did?
yes, that's the one we just did. The other one was the one that I thought they were gonna do a motion to revoke,
Okay, let me look
and
at it.
that's. She's,
2023
warrant-
CR 33, and what, let's take a look. What is it?
it's the one where the warrant was issued because she didn't report to the jail after
Well,
sentencing.
okay, so that's Judge Ricky's. We definitely want to take that up. We are on the record, as I said, in 2023 CR 33, State of Kansas versus Gina Louise DeMercurio, with Jill Gillette, County Attorney present for it, defended in person and pro se. And it looks like you did allegedly fail to appear for your sentencing August 3rd. So we need to reset that for sentencing, Missy, is that right?
No, we scheduled her
Oh.
over
I
today. We sent her on Thursday. And then she took off when Judge Ricky wanted her to go into custody for 60 days and as a condition of her probation. So she
But
has,
we really, I'm sorry, Ms. Gillette, to keep interrupting you, but we really don't have anything before the court on this, do we? You haven't filed the motion to revoke yet?
I filed the motion to revoke today. It's been filed. It was filed
Okay.
at 1:15.
All right, let me see if
He
I can,
passed through the clerks upstairs.
all right, let me see if I can find that. We'll go ahead and take that matter.
And it may have went to Judge Ricky since he's the one that sentenced her.
Oh, I bet it did. Just a moment. Okay, there is on file as of 9/5/23, a motion to revoke probation. So this is your first appearance on that motion to revoke diversion. The state is alleging that you have failed to comply with the conditions of your probation by incurring new violations of the law in Greenwood County for possession of methamphetamine, MDMA, possession of diluted and possession of drug paraphernalia, and that you failed to report to your jail time as ordered. And you do have the right to a hearing to contest that. So we will set that before Judge Ricky. And do we by chance have a date, Missy, for that?
Yes,
Okay,
September 28th at 2:00.
you'll need to, and that's in person, September, say that again, 28th at 2:00.
Yes, September 28th at 2:00.
You must appear in the Greenwood County Courthouse for that hearing. And I'm going to maintain his no bond hold, that you stay in jail until you see him. And then who was the attorney? Was that Shannon Cooper on this one?
Yes, and she would like to have that passed to a different attorney.
All right, so Missy, if you would please appoint the same attorney to both of those cases. And Missy will let you know, Ms. Perez, as soon as she knows who that is, she'll let the jail know. And then hopefully you and that attorney can get together and figure out how you're going to proceed from there. Okay? All right, anything else from either party? Okay, this time we're in recess on this matter and you are remanded to the sheriff at this time, Ms. Perez. You may go back. Perez / Di Mercurio, because in that case, I don't think it has the Perez on it.